In the marshes of Stymphalia, a new menace awaited Hercules, hidden beneath a veil of mystery. The Stymphalian birds, creatures with sharp bronze beaks and deadly feathers, preyed upon men and beasts alike. Hercules' task was to rid the land of these winged terrors, a challenge requiring more than just brute force. Gifted a rattle crafted by Hephaestus and bestowed by Athena, Hercules had the means to flush out the birds. With the clamor of the rattle, the birds took to the sky. Hercules, seizing the moment, struck them down with his arrows. The menace of the Stymphalian birds was no more. Hercules' prowess and ingenuity restored tranquility to Stymphalia. More adventures await in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Myth Pages.